Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Those who are new and have not yet subscribed, guys, I would encourage you to please hit the subscribe button down below, like, share, and comment. Guys, you're in for a treat today because we will be making the best Chinese fried rice. And if you're ready, I am ready. So without further ado, guys, let's get started. So these are my ingredients, and they also will be listed in the description box along with the measurements. All right. So the first thing we will do is beat our eggs, and I'm using 3 eggs. Add some salt, and I'm using garlic salt and black pepper. You can use plain salt, sea salt, that's just fine. To a hot wok, I will be using pure sesame seed oil almost throughout this dish. So I add approximately 3 tablespoons and make sure to coat the pan all over the sides as well. You do not want the eggs to stick. So now I will pour the eggs in and I will pull them aside. This actually makes it so much thicker. To cut, or you can scramble the eggs. However you want to do this egg, it's just fine. Alright, and our egg is finished and I'll remove from pan. So to my chicken, and I'm using chicken tenders. I dice really thin, some soy sauce, some oyster sauce, some Hawaiian sauce, and I did mixed well, some grated garlic. Give this a really good mix. I'm adding just a little bit of green onions or scallions and some red pepper flakes. And I did, guys, also add a little bit of sweet soy sauce also. We're not using any sugar or any salt because of the soy sauce and the rest of the ingredients that we're using. So our chicken is well seasoned. Now we'll go in with some cornstarch. Make sure everything is well combined. Now to my wok, I'll be adding about 4 tablespoons of the pure sesame seed oil. Make sure to coat the sides, and we will fry this up until all the moisture the chicken has produced has absorbed. And this is so juicy and so flavorful, guys. I wish you can smell this kitchen right now. We will remove from pan. So to my washed rice, and I'm using 1.5 cup of basmati long grain rice, and I just added some oyster sauce. You will mix well. You can use plain rice, it's up to you, but I like to steam my rice with some flavor. So I'm adding some diced onions in a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'll be putting the rice inside that pan, and I will give it a good mix. Make sure to fry this on medium high for about 5 minutes, anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. That should be good. And then we will go in with 2 cups of water and let this steam, guys. Do not overcook your rice. Allow this to steam on low heat. If you do need a little bit of water, just add like a little bit at a time, maybe a tablespoon at a time. You want that rice nice and loose and grainy, not hard, not too soft. Okay, looks amazing. So I made this for us, and I think I hit home. I hit a sweet spot for my son, because he wants this for breakfast, for lunch, and for dinner. You know, guys, you just have to make this. I promise you. So I transfer the rice to my Pyrex dish and allow this to cool just a little bit with a fork, and then I add some green onions. Now, green onions has so much flavor when it comes to Chinese cooking also. I mean, any cooking, but for the fried rice, you need your green onions. So the egg we would have made earlier, we will go ahead and dice that up, or if you already scrambled yours. And these right here are the rest of the ingredients. And I'm using frozen mixed peas. So I'm adding some more sesame seed oil, and this is the Imperial brand. This one has a more nutty kind of flavor to it. A little bit stronger than the other sesame seed, but just a little bit. So I've added my mixed vegetables, onions, and my chicken. We'll give that a good stir. Make sure everything is combined and cook for about maybe 3 to 5 minutes. I've added the egg. Continue to mix. Then we go in with our rice. All right. And over high heat, we'll fry this really good. Keep stirring so as to prevent sticking or burning. Looks absolutely amazing. The rice is loosey, it's just flavorful. Guys, this actually tastes like it from the Chinese restaurant. It is so good. All right. So I'm telling you, please make this. Please make this at home. Your family, your friends would be begging you to make this every day. It is so flavorful, so delicious. Again, guys, if you are new to my channel, I would just encourage you to please subscribe, like this video, share this video, and comment. Thank you again for spending the time with me today, and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye-bye.